uKhathaza usanda kufika kuZalo uKhathaza uzokhathaza amanye amadoda uthathela unkunzi isiberebhere sakhe uMaNgcobo.
uMaNgcobo finally Weds Khathaza amanye amadoda Khanyile, so use uMrs Khanyile.
Kunzi didn't believe it until it actually started happening in his face. That's when he started believing it. And he's a wreck at the moment because he actually realizes that he really loves MaNgcobo. So the reveal of everything and him realizing that he actually has been divorced becomes such a big shock for him. So that's where everything spirals out of control when he finds out.
So manje uKhathaza uthi sibophe ifindo ke namhlanje izwe lonke umhlaba wonke wakamasho ubuku ukuthi yazi yamthatha ke manje uMaNgcobo usengowami futhi okusemthethweni.
Lesson lena is basically a big point that is then going to see Unkunzi taking a very interesting role going forward in terms of what he's then going to do. How is he going to react? Is he going to come back from yonke lento uKhathaza menza yona? So this is where sonke le story basically is khuma khona.
Umsebenzi osuke wenziwe ngemuva behind the scenes usuke umkhulu kakhulu. Mhlasimbe you only see ipiece ye 1 minute 30 seconds on your screen part. The work or setyenziwe behind the scenes, it takes more than 2 hours to put that 1 minute 30 seconds or 2 minutes on your screens.
So director in most cases uyangibrief ukuthi ufuna ishot yakhe ibe kanje, is what he wants, then ngihambe ngiyobriefa i-director of photography nge-blocking ukuthi isini izokwenzeka kanje, then siyahlangana sonke sidecide ukuthi okay, this is where we're going to put our cameras, our actors, izosebenza kanjani, even with the lighting, how we're going to light for this scene, and then sihlanise so 3 mbono yethu.
I-friendship i-director ne-DOP ne-first AD is very, very crucial in terms of a set, because if lawo bantu abazwani angeke sishuthe.
And then the relationship with the other crew members as well is one which is very open, where my vision as a director is not only ukuthi mina ngenza umsebenzi wami, but everyone is a creative who's on set. So wonke umuntu can come up with an idea, and I'm like, okay, cool, if it works, iyasebenza.
2, 1, action.
The pressure iba khona. Abantu bayawuthanda Uzalo, and we try nathi our level best ukuthi sibe authentic ku story sethu, you know, in telling the story, so that singayenzi umsebenzi o mediocre, you know. So my message to ama viewers would be to be patient with the story. Siyakhula, and nikhumbule ukuthi lento siyibuka from January till December. So the story, as be patient njengaso siyakhula layer by layer, and there's still many big things that are coming that you should anticipate from this point going forward.